Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Mm-hmm. Cook my dinner. I'm gonna eat bacon tonight. I'm gonna eat bacon. Oh my god. Hello, sawadee ka. I'm sorry I don't understand. Hi.
กรุณาวางไม่ผ่านค่ะผ่านค่ะ
Ata, gusto kong makita. Eh. Let me get some rice first. Let's go cook some bacon. Make a video call pero di na brief. What you mean? One talk my car. Ooh, name a Beanie member for an edit. I'd say Ate Aya. Of course. Hello guys. I'm gonna cook. Sawadee ka. You can speak Thai. Only nit noi ka. Thank you, Damrong Kiat White Yakorn. Thank you. Kapun ka. Very nit noi. Thank you. Hello. I forgot my tablet. Hello. Kawaii. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sawadee ka. I'm cooking rice for dinner. Did you guys eat already? Yeah, it's ano pa lang here. It's 7 p.m. So, still quite early for dinner. Cole's dream. I can only fry. You can only cook like simple food. Yes. Hello. Thank you. This is a gift from Hina-san's Oka-san. Hina-san's mom. Wala ka mapag... Wait. Hina-san was here. Her water bottle. She left her water bottle? Loko. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cook now. Let me just zoom it a little bit. Okay. Ulam ko is bacon. I'll be cooking bacon. Yeah, kasi it's pajamas. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Wow, almusal. I'm just craving bacon. Naaga pa here. 7:15 pa lang. Thank you. Bacon? Bacon, true. Hindi pa mainit. Thank you so much. Leveled up? Where? Really? I'ma go fix it later. Should be hot in here. Is it? Thank you for the little crown. Oh yeah, it is sub. I'll go fix it later. Ilang days na lang September. Hoy, birthday ko muna! My birthday is on August 27. In case you didn't know. Apa kabar? Ako? What's cooking in Indonesia? Bike. Oh yeah, ako bike. Ini bacon. No, I don't speak Indonesia but I'm learning. Siyempre, ako pa. Ako sinta kamu. Ako masak bacon. Oh. Ako masak bacon. First birthday overseas girl. I know, right? The last time I had my birthday, nagkaroon ng event. MNO48 had an event. Tapos ngayon, nasa ibang bansa ako. Miss ko kayo lahat, of course. Kami Oshi, satu-satu niya. Yay! Thank you! Pwede to kamayin, di ba? Ay, dapat pala hindi na ako nag-oil. It's too oily. Nani? Anong ginawa mo? Nagluluto. This is bacon. Don't worry, I washed my hands before touching it. And you put it on the fan. The fan? Oh, hello. I know, right? Okay. Master Chef. Wala, hindi pa ako nakapag-grocery ulit eh. So, this is my dinner, pang-almusal. Thank you. Broccoli fried rice. Parang hindi ko bet mag-fried rice today. Ow! Something special for you. I want to be happy. What do you mean? It's my birthday. That's why something special. Did your hair just lighten or did you make it long now? It's just lightning. You want me to go blonde? I don't think it's possible. Because my hair is dead now. I'm cooking dinner. I know, right? Hello. I know, right? You eat it with rice? Yes, I'll eat it with rice. You want my hair purple? Ooh, let's see. Parang masarap ko ng fried rice. I don't want to cook fried rice today. Too lazy. That's sweet. Bakit aalis? Hindi pwede umalis. Yung rainbow colors should end with green. I don't think I can go green. Ay, ganap kayo, no? Yesterday was the ganap. Today is the only rest day. Green and black. Ooh, makes sense, makes sense. Diba? Di na ako love. Di na ako love eh. Grabe talaga. Aray. Eddie, don't. Gamit ka ng shield. Ba't ayaw mag-video call with you? Really? Nade? Um, um, mm, ah, dami kasi natin eh. Ah, bakit ganun? Ayaw niya humiwalay. Ayun. Ah! Lumabas tuloy lahat. Mm. Grabe naman yan. Wait. Grabe siya. How do I feel? Guys. Ay. Ba't ganun? Ang laki niya, tas ang liit niya pag ano, luto. Bakit ganun? Bakit siya lumiliit? Ang isip ko. Ang liit niya! Hello? Am I doing something wrong? Oh, really? Okay. Okay na to, di ba? Hindi pa. Ituloy mo lahat if you want to me. Okay. Nilaga? Ah, ano? I I didn't think of that. Okay, I'm gonna cook everything. Healthy. Lumansik sa mata ko, sakit. Ah! It is on low. I don't know why it comes that high. Face shield, no COVID. Put the lid. Okay. I think that's the last one. Ah, masyadong maliit. Wala ata ito. We have Jollibee in Malaysia. You have Jollibee in Malaysia? Where? Take care what else. Oh yeah, Inbox. Ingat kayo din. Pavilion? Oh, I don't know that. Of Argentina in the Philippines. Ate. Hello, how was it? Hi. Grabe no. Ang tagal niya na mag-cook. Taas ko ulit yung brightness. Taas ko ulit yung apoy. Swadika. Oh my gosh, I cannot understand Thai. I'm so sorry. Please come to Malaysia again. Thank you for the roses. Kamusta kayo? How are you? Thank you, Cos Miguel, for the ice cream cone. Diwata Paris. Tinaasan ko ulit kasi ang tagal. I'm not patient. Eto, mabuti naman po. Okay, good. Mabuti naman kayo. Mabuti naman. Siyempre ako. You're not patient. Nagmana ka nga sa mami mo. Talaga. Ay, nako. Mas impatient naman yun sa akin. Dry. Pagod, walang katapusang activity. Grabe talaga. Dapat hanggat sa nasa ibang live din. Ako din yan, for sure. Alam nyo, selosa ako. Ayoko talaga yung Selosa. Pag sa akin lang. Dapat ganun. Is that a ball? Yes, it's a ball, but the other one is missing. The other one is missing. Thank you. Okay. Kasi hindi sila, selosa ako. Sobra. Kaya pag nakakita ko ng, tingnan nyo, cute ni ganito, cute ni ganyan. Nananahimik lang ako, yes, pero deep down, parang, okay. Okay. Okay lang. Sige lang. Sanay na ako. Ganon. Sige lang. Hello! Ay! Hindi na ako lalapit doon sa wall ko. Talaga. I like overdrive. Me too. I like overdrive too. Hello. How about, nanasa man na diba, lipstick? How about lipstick? Do you like lipstick? Oo naman. Tignan mo naman yung profile picture. Loyal na loyal yan si Chabu. Walang nag-post. Bawal ata video. Yes, bawal yung video. Pero very, very soon naman na din siya ilalabas. So, watch out for that. Yung mo sure call. Ganon. What other genre of lipstick? Secret! You'll see soon. Apakabar mo. I'm okay. Ganun ba? Ang tagal nga maluto eh. Naka-maximum na yung apoy. Hindi, bacon lang. I think you're loyal. I think hello. Eddie, thank you. Tama yan. Sagama sa bacon. Okay. It's good. I was on the rice. I'm waiting for the rice. Mama. Tagal na nun ah. Super matagal na yun ah. Hello. Is that Ate Homie? Hello. Sawadee ka. Oh my gosh, I cannot read Thai. I'm so sorry. Loyal ako, pero penge bacon, please. How many hours are you tonight? Maybe an hour or 2 hours? Let's see. Hello! Oh my gosh, hi guys. You speak Thai is... Oh, it's too... I can't read Thai. Ah! I can't read Thai. Sawadiha. Too many people. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flip over the bacon first and then transfer places because I wanna... I'm too shy. I'm too shy to be interacting with other people right now. Hala, nasunog man! Uy! Wait. Aray! Kasi dinadal niyo ako masyado eh. Sunog! Sunog siya. Pero okay lang, edible pa rin yan. Uy, ano? Hindi ako madaldal. Kung hindi tayo kakain ng sunog for tonight's video, wala tayong choice. Sayang. Ay, naku. Wala pang ano eh. Wala pang rice. Mga loyal talaga nanonood sa'yo ko. Ay, dapat lang. Selosa ako. Pag ako, nagselos. Ako. Mahirap na. Okay na yan? Ah, talaga? Loyal pa din kayo? Nag-stream ba kayo ng checklist? Nag-stream ba kayo ng checklist? Grabe talaga. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa ano. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Ay, paano mag-flip dito? Wait. Hi. Alit niya. Dapat di na ako nag-oil. Tingnan nyo, ang dami tuloy oil. Chanel, looks like... Sunog siya. Stream checklist, guys. Yes. Grabe, ang unti lang na linagay kong oil though. Tapos ganyan na yung kinalabasan. Super oily. Wait. What happened? Okay. Wait a minute. So, ayun. I'm just waiting for rice, but let's just leave that there muna. We can talk in the room while we wait for the rice. You know what? I've been watching Kimi ni Todoke. Kimi ni... Wait, to break. Yan. Kimi ni Todoke. But, wait. I must sit down. I've been watching Kimi ni Todoke, and at the same time, ano, Jujutsu Kaisen. So, after watching Jujutsu Kaisen, kasi puro patayan yun eh. I transferred to Kimi ni Todoke para, wow, love, ganyan, wow, okay, high school life, and then, balik ako Jujutsu Kaisen sa patayan ulit. Tapos babalik ng love story. Bacon Nicole Sumera. We like Jujutsu Kaisen. Pipa Price sa Thailand. Ganda nung kulay niya. Alin yung bacon? Bacon Sumera. One of my favorite though ang bacon. Kaya anong favorite ulam nyo? Anong muntik na masunog? Sunog nga ata eh. Ayoko tapusin yung AOT. I don't want it to finish. That's why hindi ko pinapanood. Adobo Supremacy, true though. Do all quad lips get bacon? I'm not sure. I think so. I don't wanna... If I'm gonna watch AOT, I'm gonna watch AOT from the start. Like from the start to finish. If I want it to be finished, like finished, I'm gonna start to finish. Yeah, rice na lang. Inaantay ko pa yung rice. Ano, sumasabit yung... Tamo, sumasabit yung... Maybe I should... Mikasa. Of course, Mikasa. I'll go... pero kasi... I think let's just let time reveal itself. Let's just let time reveal everything for everyone. I think it's better that way than me telling stuff to you guys. Baby Titan. When will you go back to promote with MNL48? Yeah. That's also part of the time will tell. Because as of now, I have no idea pa. I have no idea. Do you really need to announce that here? Miss ko na ikaw. Ako din. Miss ko na din kayo. Center side to be born. Maybe here, sa quad lips. I get a lot of exposure here in quad lips. Diba sabi niya kanina, ako daw, or Colleen. Tapos, grabe talaga. True. Kita ko si Chabo lumipat. Ito nagsusumbong din eh. Ako na lang 2018 batch dito. It's okay. Feeling ko meron pa din naman. It's just as of now there's a lot of problems kaya mahirap and Nasa MV ako ng fortune cookie. That's okay. It's fine. Hello, before you fall in love. Nag-wave ng flag? I think no. No. Nasa dulo ako, gitna. Pinakalikod na gitna na short hair. You see me? That would probably be me. Wearing a shirt and a skirt. Grabe, ang tagal na nun. It's like, it's been 18, 19, 21, 6 years ago. Baby ko, lipa. Yeah, go ahead. You can ask questions. How do you open Q&A? Lightning Q&A. Is it this one? I can't understand. It's in Thai. Goodie bag? What's a goodie bag? Hello! Kamusta? Baby wash blade. I miss you. See you soon. Hello! Oh my gosh, long time no see. Tanda na siya. Oo nga, ay matanda. Tanda ako na. Anong ginagawa ko, guys? What am I doing? Hindi ko makuha yung kanin kasi may tao na iya ako. Girl, tumatanda na tayo dito. Kaya pa, di ba? Kaya pa ba? Hope to see you soon. Or baby ka pa din? What do you think? Baby pa din ba? Let me see. Let me think. Let me think about it. Should I change my Jigo Shokai? Charot. Yeah. Still baby tower, of course. Thank you, Edward, for the roses. Di pa nawawala teen features. Really? I think nawawala na siya. I know, right? I feel so old. Alam nyo, hindi counted yung pandemic. The pandemic for me is not counted. Legit. Let me go get the rice na umalis na yung ano. Ay, ako super. Ay, nahulog. Yay, I get to eat na. Aray, ang init. Kumain na rin kayo. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat. Oo nga pala. Dapat magla-live kami sa showroom. Ah. The members forgot. Today ba yun? Oh my gosh, the days are just mixing in my brain. Ang dami ko naluto na kanin. Pasensya. Look, this is my food. Tadang. Wala, gusto ko ng tosino. Share tayo. Share tayo tosino. Pwede pa deliver dito yung kanin. Makapanis na pag umabot dyan. Idakimasu. Tanda ko na magbe-21 na ako. Hindi ko tanggap. Hindi ko tanggap talaga. Hindi ko feel. Hindi talaga counted yung pandemic. Ayoko i-count kasi wala. Nasa bahay lang ganun. Hindi ako nakapag-experience ng teenage life. Diba? Nag-18 ako during the pandemic. Sino Nicole? Uy. You know why di pa nawawala teen features mo? Why? Please tell me. Stay at home lang nung pandemic. That's true. Actually, pre-pandemic nag-MNL 48 nung high tension. Talaga, pagod kami sunod-sunod na event. Pero masaya. Masaya lahat. Ay, nako, I miss the girlies. But, oh, really? Ngayon pa lang yung teen features. True. Brace era, true. That braces. Really? Should I put it back? Oh. No. Why not? I want to get braces back. And bangs. I want to get bangs back. What do you think? Maybe I'll go live for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Far from perfect, what you mean? Thank you. Side bangs. Side bangs lang. Hi, Sandy! Parang kanina lang magka-call tayo ah. ang hirap. Wala, naiyak ako. Ang samahan nyo talaga. Pinapaiyak nyo ako. Hotdog kayo ah. So mean. Ay, mali. Ay, tama. Wala akong kasama. True. Buti na lang kasama ko kayo. I know. It's just really hard to be in a different country. Tapos ang daming... Behind the scenes kasi, most don't know naman eh. Diba? Sanay lang din ako na may kasama palagi. You dare prank? Although yeah, I prank other members a lot. Pwede. I can sub live. Baka ano, tomorrow let's try. Gusto ko i-try. Thank you. Please keep streaming checklist if you like it. Sans prank, we talked about it. Like, in front of her, we talked about it in front of her. Hey, we want to do the challenge. The Just Give Me My Money challenge. Tapos, pero kasi, yung For You page, yung TikTok niya, is Japan. Diba? Japanese, siguro Japanese For You page. Kasi kami tatlo, alam namin na hindi dadaan sa For You page ni Hinasan yung yung ganong prank. So, kaya ayun. Ano daw? Yeah, just give me my money. Nagbabardagulan na kayo sa comment section. Kaya pa ba? Hi! Okay. We want to do the side dress. And we plan on doing a lot more when the schedules simmer down a bit. True. Hello. Anong ganap sa MNL48 ngayon? Can you guys tell me? Because I don't know. Masarap nga. Masarap yung bacon. Right. Kizuna. Kizuna. Video for Video for Stanley? I'm not sure. Ara. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Yes, I think so. I submitted something like that. Yes. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I have videos of Stanley. I see. Thank you for the little crown. If you have any song requests, please let me know. After I eat, I can go up and sing. Magla-live ko sa birthday mo? Yes. Pero baka hapon. Like maybe lunchtime. Kasi, secret lang to ah. Papakainin ko sila ng Filipino food. Hello. Yeah. Please greet. Happy birthday. Walang balot dito. Walang balot dito. Mga ulam lang. Ulam, parang leche flan, halo-halo. Pa ba? Mango float, ganun. Shanghai yan, mga ganyan. Yung Shanghai, pansit, ganun. Hindi si Pochi, si Quadlipers. Adobo, oo, adobo, ganun. Good luck. Okay. Birthday din, Birthday din pala. Please greet them. Happy birthday, guys, for me. Thank you. Wait, legit ba? Nakakainis. Okra? I don't know if may okra. Ano kami, we're gonna go to a Filipino cuisine restaurant kasi. Grabe talaga. Hello. And what each member will think of the Philippines when they come here. I feel like super similar in Thailand. I feel like they'd say that. Or similar din sa Indonesia. Or Malaysia. Hello. Asa na? Asa na yung pinapagawa kong reaction video? Wala naman nag-send. Grabe talaga. Action paper, hindi. Dapat video. Bawal paper. Thank you, Edward. Handa sila sa EDSA. Ay, naku. Namang traffic dito, mas malala pa sa EDSA. Super. Grabe. No. We just came home a few days ago. Three days ago, yeah. Three? Was it 3 days? Few days. I know, right? Oop. Thank you. I'm gonna change it to the next song soon. Nabalian ka ng buto, ako din. Pero tumigil ba ako sumayaw? Hindi. Nabalian na ako ng buto pero sumasayaw pa rin ako, kaya gawin mo. Sana naman yung True the Ray na yan? Saan galing yan? Favorite Bible verse? Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. Right? I see. I feel like it healed correctly naman. Sabay nagka-injury. No, I don't know. Alpha Gen language. That's how old I am. No, I don't know. Ito study pa pala. Even when performing, I still have pain, but nothing I can't, nothing I can handle, I think. Hello. Hi, call na lagi nagpapamiss. Pasensya na. Busy eh. Pero if araw-araw ba ako nag-live, araw-araw nyo rin ang papanoorin. Okay. Sino? Quad lips? Thank you. What is mewing? Okay. I'm good. I'm eating dinner. Thank you. Almost. Ala! Hindi ko na-picturean. Hindi ko na-picturean yung food. Thank you. I like you guys too. Everyone here. Hindi nga. I forgot. Thank you so much. May kwento ako, guys. สวัสดีค่ะฉันชื่อโคลค่ะจากฟิลิปปินส์May kwento ako. Nag-perform kami ng Catch Me, Kiss Me. Natalisod ako. Tapos, yung talisod ko, ganon. Ay, talisod ba yun? Talisod pa ganon. Tapos slide. Boosh. Yeah. And the set list is Catch Me, Kiss Me, Overdrive, Checklist, Lipstick. So, unang kanta pa lang, natalisod na ako. Tapos, yung yung hulog ko, di ba, pag ganyan. Nag-slide pa siya, be. Hindi siya tumigil na ganyan lang. Hindi. Umislide pa ako, so nagasgas yung tuhod ko. Nagasgas yung tuhod ko na para tas ang lakas nung pagkabagsak ko dun sa floor. Parang nag-vibrate nag-vibrate yung tuhod ko. So, sakit. Super. Tapos, so kailangan pa rin, iniisip ko, babalik ba ako sa backstage? Hindi ko ba tatapusin yung performance? Kasi ang sakit niya. Super. Kung hindi, tutuloy ko to kasi sayang naman yung pinunta ng mga fans, sayang naman yung binayad nila, sayang naman lahat ng pinag-practicean namin, ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, babawi na lang ako sa kanta. Dapat ako kasi, when performing, sometimes, hindi ako makanta para matodo ko yung galaw. Pero, this time, oh my gosh, kakantahin ko na lang. Hello, Nilam. Hindi. Super masakit siya, super masakit. Tapos sumabay pa yung pa ako. So, okay, go. The show must go on. Sa lipstick, tsaka sa checklist, mayroong mga luhod-luhod doon. So, sakit. Pero tas at the end of the show, umiyak ako. Kasi, parang, oh man, sayang naman lahat ng pre-practice ko, sayang naman lahat ayun, parang feeling ko, for me, hindi ko nagawa yung best ko kasi deprived ako of doing so, physically. But my lipstick was very worried. Yeah, I fell down. And I cried because, ayun, first, I was super happy that the fans were very supportive the entire performance. I was really, really grateful kasi they still cheered. They cheered me. They cheered us on. And ayun, I was in pain. Great pain. But, yeah. Sigma, I never skibidi in my eye. Yeah, I was in pain. But, that's it. Thank you for listening to my story. Ano pa rin siya? Pwede ba ipakita? Yan siya. Sakit. You see that? Diba? Gas-gas siya. It was worse It would have been fine if I just fell down. Would have been easy for me to get up, but ano eh, boobs tapos slide. So like, yeah. But yeah. Kaya, I'ma get water. Kape, ano. Be careful next time, ate. I think it's something inevitable when you're performing. Yung slipperiness, the slippiness of the stage, how the other members would go to certain blockings. It's not something that you can control. So what's gonna happen really is gonna happen. Even if kahit gaano ka pa mag-ingat. I know, right? So now I can't wear the red costume for promotion because yeah, it doesn't look pleasing to the eye. I hope so. Malayo, nasa Malaysia yung stage. True. Hello. Helmet, baka need mo rin. Malay nyo, wig lang to. Is it still hurt now? No, not now, not anymore. It's healing. It was worse before. It looked worse before. Yeah, now it's healing. Paluin yung stage. Konnichiwa. Hello. Dumugo ba o pasalang? Ano, gas-gas siya eh. Gas-gas lang. So, hindi naman dumugo. Sugat lang. Sugat, tas walang dugo. Ano daw? Hello. Yeah, thank you. Nahamon mo si Pacquiao. I know, right? Thank you. I might end the live soon, guys. Yeah, I might end the live soon kasi I have to study something. Thank you guys for watching. Factor ba yung height mo? Where? Study something. Good night. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 8.7k hearts, for 106. No. Huh? For 39 viewers. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Okay? Good night. Bye-bye. Thank you for your time with me today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ingat-ingat kayo, guys. Bye-bye. Matayaw. Bye-bye.